जिल्लो तशेंच तालुका कोर्टान 8 जुलयाक नॅशनल लोक अदालत आख्ख्या भारतभर जातली। लोकांनी आपल्यो पेंडिंग केशी लोक अदालतान धाडच्यो असो उलो शबनम शेख हिणें मारला। आर्डिक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार।
It will be conducted at district court premises. It will be conducted at taluka level in the taluka courts. Each courts will be having panels where the matters will be settled. And even in Valpai court, each court there are panel will be created, and matters will be referred from respective courts also. And all the lok adalat which are referred to the Lok Adalat matters are monitored by District Legal Service Authority, and the State Legal Service Authority in turn monitors the entire functioning of the Lok Adalat. And all the matters which are referred to the Lok Adalat, the statistics which we get, the District Legal Service Authority refers the statistic to the to the State Legal Service Authority, and the State Legal Service Authority in turn gives the statistic to the National Legal Service Authority.
प्रत्येक मनीस कोर्टान आपूण जावन वचना, दुसरो एखादें आपल्याक व्हरता आनी थंय वतकच टायम आनीक पयशे गरज नासतना खर्च जाता आनीक तातूंत शेवटी अल्टिमेटली कांयच तांकां जस्टीस जी तांकां जी हें आसता म्हणजे तांकां जी मेळूंक जाय ती तांकां अल्टिमेटली तांकां दिसता की आपल्याक न्याय मेळना म्हणून, आनी इतलीं वर्सां आनी पयशे सगळे खर्च जातकच तांकां पश्चाताप जाता। पूण हाच्या खातीर आमचो एकूच उद्देश आसता की तांकां एडवायस करपाचें की कोर्टान वचल्या पयलीं तांणी दोनदा विचार करचो, कारण थंय वचून तांकां न्याय मेळटलोच ही खात्री नासता। म्हणून तांच्या दृश्टीन हे कोर्टान वचल्या पयलीं हांगा मेडिटेशन सेंटरां तांच्या भितर जो कितें डिस्प्यूट आसा, डॉमेस्टीक वायलन्स जावं किंवा असले हॅरेसमेंट, फॅमिली हॅरेसमेंट जाता त्यो केसी कोर्टान वचनासतना हांगा सेटलमेंट जावप हें तांच्या हिताचें, हें तांकां आमी एडवायस करून तांकां सॉल्व करपाक मदत करता।
This is Advocate Wahida here from Panjim. I request all the people to refer to go for, there is a Lok Adalat which is held on 8th of July in district court as well as in taluka courts, which is there in the court premises. So I request all the people whoever's matters are pending in district court as well as in taluka courts to refer the matters to the Lok Adalat which is there on as a national Lok Adalat, and all the matters gets disposed soon. Those whoever's matters are pending for long, they can refer this matter. Even the pre-litigation matters can be referred. So I kindly request all of y'all to refer those matters to the Lok Adalat. So this is a very easy method wherein your matters are settled nicely and faster.